if you currently fast or are into intermittent fasting, you probably know that you have limited options when it comes to the liquids that you could consume while you're in your fasted window. Long story short, there's water, coffee, black coffee with no additives, and tea. In this video, I'm going to focus specifically on tea. And I always tell people that tea is a must-have drink to have when intermittent fasting, especially during your fasted window. And while you don't need to have tea every single day, it certainly helps to include tea within your diet for a multitude of different benefits you can receive from it. But in any case, drinking tea can actually enhance your intermittent fasting experience overall. So keep on watching, and I'll give you 3 reasons why I believe tea is a must-have while intermittent fasting. By the way, this is Luke from YA Strength. Don't forget to show love, comment, and subscribe to help me grow. One of the biggest hurdles while intermittent fasting is being able to control your hunger, or in better words, understanding your hunger. In my opinion, those hunger pains on a scale of 1 to 10 for reasons why people stop intermittent fasting, I personally would give it a 9.5 for one of the biggest reasons why people stop intermittent fasting or they quit before they can actually give it time to see the benefits that they can receive from it. Hunger is a big reason why people break or end their fasting window prematurely, which can actually ruin overall your intermittent fasting results. Drinking tea helps suppress your appetite and solve that problem. The truth is, it's very normal and it's actually expected for you to feel hunger or get those hunger signals while you're in your fasted window, especially if you get to that 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hour mark. And this is because your body is used to getting food every few hours or so, especially when you just start out with intermittent fasting. You see, our body likes things to run on a schedule for the most part. So if your last meal was at 9 a.m. or you typically eat at 9 a.m., your body will expect for you to eat again at 9 a.m. It sends out hunger signals around that 9 a.m. time frame. And those signals come in the form of a hormone called ghrelin. And according to WebMD, ghrelin is the body's appetite increaser. It is released primarily in the stomach and is thought to signal hunger to the brain. So basically, you expect your body to increase ghrelin or release ghrelin if your body feels like it needs to eat or it's time for the body to eat. So think of it like this. When you eat, your body decreases ghrelin. When you don't eat for a certain period of time, let's say 3 to 4 hours, your body will increase ghrelin. Ghrelin also increases around your typical eating patterns, as I said earlier. Tea, specifically certain teas like green tea, have been proven to reduce ghrelin within a body. And this will help balance out, that hunger feeling you feel throughout the day. At least you won't feel it as much if you're drinking tea. And you should be able to get through it easier, and before you know it, you'll be at your feeding window. Now, you might know that a key benefit to fasting is also autophagy, which is when your body repairs and recycles its cells. Well, drinking tea promotes autophagy and cell health. And drinking tea can also help the body produce healthier cells because of something called polyphenols. And polyphenols are contained inside of the tea leaves itself. Polyphenols are antioxidants that help protect tissues against oxidative stress and associated pathogens in the body. And polyphenols can also help support gut health, digestion, healthier skin, and cell health. All of that puts your body in a better position to get into autophagy more efficiently and more effectively while intermittent fasting in the first place. Now, when intermittent fasting, it can be a bit of a shock to some people in their bodies as they try to adjust to fighting those urges of getting those sweets and snacks that they see every single day at work or in the house. And those daily urges can cause some stress because we've grown accustomed to eating all day, anytime we want, all day. And having to constantly avoid these foods or temptations can cause people to get cranky or irritated. Well, drinking tea can help calm the body. And many teas, such as green tea or black tea, contain something called L-theanine. And research shows that L-theanine can help promote relaxation without drowsiness to help you remain more focused throughout the day. Plus, many teas contain caffeine, which can help give you an energy boost as well. So there you have it. Those were 3 reasons why I believe tea is a must-have while intermittent fasting. It's a simple drink, yet powerful addition to your diet as you continue your intermittent fasting journey. Plus, tea helps make your intermittent fasting journey more enjoyable and more relaxing. Be sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts and or give me some feedback. Also, let me know if you currently drink tea while fasting, and if so, what's your preferred type of tea to drink while you fast. As always, thank you for watching. This is Lou from YA Strength. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.